Fourth estate of the realm, the press, the media.
Excuse me.
You agree with me that we came here this morning to submit a petition sequel to our press conference addressing the issue of the call to bar enrollment of Right Honorable Benjamin Okezie Kalu as legal practitioner of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. You agree with me also that it has become a matter of public interest that Right Honorable Okezie Kalu should come out clean on his certification. While we are not imputing any sin on his status as a lawyer, while we are not imputing any sin on his status as a ranking member of the National Assembly, we are also very concerned that there are discrepancies in his certification. And we don't want to leave it at the level of speculation. We want clarity. And that is why we came here today to submit a formal petition to the Legal Disciplinary Committee, Legal Practitioners Disciplinary Committee. And this petition was rejected on grounds of due process. They are giving us a series of forms. You can see this is a form that we have to fill to be able to achieve our submission purpose. And so I want to inform you that we are not resting on our house. Remember, we are giving the honorable member 72 hours to step aside so that due diligence and due process can be followed in clearing him of this saga. But not having done that, we thought it wise that for us to first barricade the National Assembly to achieve our aim will not be very necessary, and we decided to come to the committee itself, which is responsible for the for disciplining lawyers, erring lawyers in that instance. We're expecting that this matter will be treated with urgency because we understand that there are other people who have also petitioned the committee, and so it is only expedient that the committee should do the needful. This is not a matter that will be swept under the carpet for their information. We are ready to go full swing on this matter. We are ready to exhaust all the resources within our reach. We are ready to ensure that the right thing is done at this point in time. The only thing that will save this situation is that if today, maybe immediately, if Right Honorable Benjamin Okezie Kalu can come out and show to Nigerians, produce his certifications in both NYSC and the Nigerian Law School, to clear himself of this mess, because we cannot continue on this scale. This scandal is not good for our national progress. It's not good for our leadership recruitment process. And the National Assembly is not a place that should tolerate people who have discrepancies in their certification. It is on that note that we deem it necessary to, we'll fill this form, we'll fill it, we'll follow due process, because we are people of due process. We will not ambush the law, we will not take advantage of the process. All we will do is to follow due process and ensure that the right thing is done. It is on this note that